Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can train and level up your players in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile and I made this video for beginner only and for new to the game that confused and how this game mechanism, how we can train our player. So let's get started by tap the club and tap the players, and this is all the player that I have. This is my second account, so I made this account for I made freshly this account. I just made into a new account of this game, and you can see this is not good enough player. The top player of your best that I have is 68. So normally you can challenge PvP or challenge more event if you have more than 80 best OVR. So this is maybe for training only or playing some easy event. And let's get started by tapping this player. Tap the training. So you can train your player by use unused player here. I give you an example. I'm not use this Li Tixiang, or you can use auto select here and level up into the max level until level 5, and you can tap train, but I'm using this guy only, CDM player, and also tap the train, and player training is complete. So I hope you can get more best player from this game to increase your overall best team and join the challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.